Okay, I'm gonna go through the independent practice on page 473. So, plus 1, I want to get rid of that, so I'm going to subtract 1. Those would cancel. You'd be left with 3x equals 9. Divide both sides by 3. You'd be left with x equals 9 divided by 3, which is 3. Oops, that's a little hard to see, but we'll keep going. I'm going to just go down and solve the next one. So I'm going to subtract 1. You'd be left with negative 8s. 32 on that side, right? 33 minus 1. And then divide both sides by negative 8. The negative 8s would cancel. You'd be left with s equals, you have to divide 32 by 8 is 4. 1 negative means your whole answer is negative 4. Okay, so we're going to do this one. We have negative 3 and 8, and we want to get rid of that negative 3 first. So we'll add 3. Those would cancel. We'd be left with 8n. And then it's negative 5 plus positive 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Since 5 is bigger and it's negative 2. Ooh, this doesn't look fun. So we have to divide both sides by 8. I hope I'm doing that right. It doesn't look easy. That's why I always question. N equals, you can reduce 2 over 8 to 1/4, right? Because they're both divided by 2, and it's negative 1/4. I guess, oh, I can't even see the one below it now. I guess I could check it. Yeah, if I plugged in 1/4, that would be 2. Oh, negative 1/4, that would be negative 2, which would actually work out. So it does work. Plus 6, 4h equals 28. Divide by 4, h equals 28 divided by 4 is 7. It's gonna, oh good, it worked. Add 4, cancel, we'd be left with negative 4w equals, oops, that's in the way, 8 plus 4 is 12. Divide both sides by negative 4. Those would cancel. W equals 12 divided by 4, which is 3. And 1 negative would be negative 3. Sorry, it's kind of in the way. Last but not least, subtract 5. Oh, this one actually looks like it's going to be pretty easy. You might not see it yet. I know those would cancel. I'd be left with 1 over 7b equals negative 2 plus negative 5 is negative 7. And then you actually just multiply by 7 over 1 to cancel that out, right? You'd be left with b equals, I have to multiply that side by 7, negative 49. 7 times 7 is 49. There's 1 negative. 1 negative, so it's negative.